How to delete a private server in Roblox. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to be seeing how you can easily delete a private server in Roblox. So let's just get started. First thing first, you want to come over to your web browser, go to the search bar at the top and simply search for roblox.com and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once logged in, you need to find the profile icon at the top left corner of your screen. Just tap on it. From the nav menu, you can find your inventory. Just tap on it and it's going to take you over to My Inventory. Then on the menu section, scroll down, keep scrolling until you find Private Servers. Hover your mouse over it and then go to My Private Servers. Once you are here, it should load up all of your paid or free private servers. So let's say I've got this private server Adopt Me. What I can do is just click on it and go to the experience. Make sure your servers tab is selected. And go down here. It's going to show you your server. And all you have to do is tap on the three dots at the top right. Here you won't see an option to cancel or delete the server. So what you're going to do instead is go to configure. And what it's essentially going to do is it's going to let you choose whether you want to allow joining or not. So basically toggle this option off. Unlike the paid server, you don't have the cancel button for your free private servers. So what it does is after you disable it, it makes the private server inaccessible for you and other users that you've invited to the private server. And it also invalidates the current link codes. You can always reactivate the private server anytime you want by just clicking over here. So basically you just want to turn this one off and you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button down below and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video.